What's up, YouTube? Here and I was Christy, and I'm back once again with another video. So today we're gonna be making some slime. So today I have two glue. They're I think pink or purple, and then I have something in here, but I'm not gonna show you guys the last part. And I'm gonna put it in my. We have 3 mixing utensils. And I forgot activator, but we will get activator. I have another one for if it overflows. And then I have a container. Let's get started. First, we're going to put in our glue. First, I have to go get the activator, actually.
Why are you holding the door? Street against the Celtics. The Celtics won 112-104. Oh, here! Love it! You didn't want to show that highlight. You wanted to you're like, wait, why not? We showed it on all the access. I was like, what is Lisa Creek? And here, what is that? Now you know. Outstanding. Why does my husband not sound like that anymore, by the way? You want to get robbed? I think he does, though. Shut up, it's next. Australia? What?
So we have our activator in this bottle right here. If our slime gets too sticky. So let's get on. So we have our two. My hands are wet. I hate that. But yeah, 2 bottles. Glue. Guys, I filled these bottles with first I made the glue. So I got white Elmer's glue, and I think it was pink. I don't remember because I made these yesterday. Pink and purple food dye, I think. And then I got some glitter. And I got holographic glitter and orange glitter. Let's get on to the videos. I'm so excited. So first,
okay, leave it alone. Why you want to fucking wiggle the handle? Shit, now legs are already broke, the motherfucker.
babe, it is gooey.
Unlock it.
Okay, move this here. It is a pinkish purple. Oh yeah, and I put other stuff in it. It's hard to get this glue out. You know.
Unlock it.
Oh, geez.
Who had Kalia?
Yes.
I know you did not have this fucking plate over here.
I didn't.
Who had this plate then?
So we're gonna, oh gosh. Guys, I have to clean this off. Okay. I got it all cleaned off.
Who had this plate over here?
I'll put the chair. Oh. And guys, the challenge was to use an old glue bottle. So this was a struggle to get
That's what's gonna make y'all not be able to eat in here.
To
Shit
get
like that.
new
Y'all
Elmer's
want
glue.
motherfucking roaches or something?
new what is it called? New food coloring. It took a long time to get all this stuff settled. So we're gonna go ahead and pour in the other. This won't stop dripping. We're gonna set this in this bowl so it can leak out. But then we're gonna go ahead and pour it in the other bottle. I'm so excited. I think this is gonna overflow. And it's sticking on the cap. I just took stick glue. Let's go ahead and pour this in the bowl. This is so satisfying. It comes like first when you start pouring it, it comes out as a big glob. But then when you I just got it all over my hands. Guys, I'm so excited to make this slime. Why? I feel like it's already slime, but it's so sticky. I'm making something. Whoa. Guys, I'm letting. This is so pretty. I'm making a heart. Oh, I'm getting alongside the balls, but who cares?
What you watching?
Okay, gonna go get that. Shit, okay, so I feel like this. Oh my. Okay. We're gonna pour in the activator. I like to pour in a little bit of time. It's turning into slime. Okay. Ooh, guys. Oh, it's turning. Okay. I probably think I added too much glitter, but as you can see, guys, look at that. I got it on the side. So we're gonna go in with our hands because like the spoon is kind of clean. Let's see. OMG. Okay, we're gonna take it. I don't want to touch it and it's too sticky. But okay. Take it out of the bowl. Ooh, it's already good. It feels. I feel like the glue had smelled like baby lotion, or it might activator. But my dog is biting her tail for no reason. Whoa, very good. We're gonna try to make a bubble. So we're letting the glue sit while we make a bubble. Oh, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be making another slime video today with the same glue because I want to make a big slime. So I'm gonna be making some more glue and so the challenge is to use the same color of glue and are you guys going by? Okay. This is so sticky. Wait, here goes the slime. I think it's like very stretchy, but it's so goopy. It's so sticky. So you guys go. So we're gonna be making another video with the same, not the same glue. Yeah, same glue with what is it called? Oh my gosh. With the same glue that was, because that was the challenge. make some glue hook. This yeah, we're gonna be using, because I didn't use all my activator, it's still at the top. So there goes your slime. It's so fun to play with. So we're gonna have to make our glue and make another video because I had to make 2 batches of the same slime. We're gonna be mixing it together. Oh yeah, I forgot about this purple. So there was supposed to be like a challenge. So there was like old soap in here and stuff. So I had to take some like glue. This is glue right here. I had to take some like glue, make slime, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna be putting the glue in the container. Let me do it right now. Ooh, that's hard. This is the glue. Wait, it has a little bit of purple in it. So we're gonna just try this challenge. Hopefully it goes well and make some slime. So let's go ahead and pour the glue. It comes out slowly for some reason. It's sticky. Oh, why did I do that? Okay. So let me show you guys what it looks like now, because there was like old glue in here. I'm just gonna go put my hands in there, try to get all the glue out. Oh, and the action there did. Oh. This is sticky. Let's add some water. Close the door. Ooh, that's too much. Close the door.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm going out that.
What?
Guys,
Y'all not even
activating.
ready to go.
Starting activating. So let me go ahead. This is the same. Oh, let's knead it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you guys.
Where is her purse?
So look. Oh, you guys can't see it. Wow. Okay. But that was the soap. And we're gonna put this slime back in its container. Look at that. It's crunchy. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. This is like stickier than the other.
I actually was the person who was right there. You didn't see me.
Oh, why are you looking like that? Okay. Move the bowl out the way. Okay. This is the slime. I'm probably gonna mix it with the other slime and then put some. Hey, give me a Jolly Rancher one.
Oh, y'all getting the same kind.
But different flavor.
Maybe the red kind or orange. Red kind. This is so fun. Oh, Medina, my slime. Oh my gosh, it's melting. If you can see it right here, right here. Look, it's melting, guys. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh. So we're gonna mix. We're not gonna mix them because I needed this slime and it got bitter. So I gotta mix some. Let's get all this. Because I just washed all my utensils, so yeah. This can be like, it feels literally just like glue. This slime, woo, it activated good. I feel like my activator is not working. It's very good. Okay. I'm gonna put it up close so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so look, this is the slime, and we still have more to make out of these glues. Oh my gosh, out of those glues in there. But so far, this is some good looking slime. You got it? Okay. So I'm gonna be doing another video, so you guys can see more. Okay, so I'll tell you what this what this looks like. Guys, it looks like bubble gum. But
Listen, walk in less snow as possible. Y'all understand that? Less snow as possible. Can I pop this button though? And hurry up back.
okay, so bread, eggs, butter.
Right now.
Oh my gosh, it is freezing outside. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, this is crazy. And okay, let me tell you something. So I'm gonna put my Snapchat and my
They walked in the highest snow.
no they didn't. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video. Subscribe, comment down below. I just really want to read some comments because I'm all day bored because I never get to read any of you guys' comments. So comment and subscribe. And my Snapchat will be down below if you want to. Bye. We're gonna be making more slime in the next video. Cheese.